So this will be the URL for the ReliefAgad self-registration app, www.reliefagad.ph. So using your phone, click on the browser and just type this URL and you will be directed to the app. So initially it will display the home screen with some instructions. Then if you click register, we'll go to step 1. In step 1, the app will try to read the unique barcode which is printed on the lower right corner of the SAC. But in some cases, due to printing or the differences in printers and also in paper, there are times that it cannot read the barcode. So there's an option to manually encode the SAC number. That's in step 2. You just have to provide the region, province, city, and the unique number in your SAC form. The system will authenticate the number, and if authenticated, the following steps will be for the head of the family. Ipapasok ko lahat ng detalye ng head of the family, starting from the names, gender, birthday, including address, IDs, sector and kondisyon ng kalusugan, and other benefits which were given to the head of the family or the family itself. Then, ito po yung portion na magpapasok ng individual member ng family. So you just have to click yung plus sign sa taas to add a member of the family, and you will be prompted to enter all information exactly as they appear in the SAC form. Fill out lang siya and continue or repeat the process until all the family members are already encoded. Then there is a survey screen for the mode of payment. Our beneficiaries can select cash, pay Maya, GCash, or bank account, whichever they prefer. This will be used later by DSWD for payment. Then to authenticate the registration, the system will send an OTP, an SMS message, a 6-digit number for the user to input, and finally to submit. Once authenticated, the registration is sent and there's a message na naipadala na ang detalye ng SAC. So that's typically the process. Then through the help of USAID, they've created a flyers for our beneficiaries. Ang important po dito is the call center numbers in case that the users or the beneficiaries need help in using the system, and a step-by-step process of filling out or using the system. And lastly, through USAID also, they created a toll-free number for our call centers, and they also provided 6 numbers for our cellular phone users.